Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia Device to Cat S53. First of all, you need to get free app called Send Anywhere from this developer on both devices. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both smartphones. Firstly, select I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, and allow. In this pop-up though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. In order to close it, select OK. Nextly, pick Send at the bottom left corner of Nokia and Receive next to Send at the bottom of Cat's smartphone. Also on Cat, tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Nokia. You can finally tap on all of those categories located at the top, and in them click on those type of dots at the top left corners to choose multiple files from your category right away. You can also just tap on the chosen ones instead. Whatever you do, when you finish, choose Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on Cat's smartphone. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you don't want to do that, you can also input this key in Input Key section. Make sure that all of those numbers are entered correctly, and when you're ready, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!